Hello, this is Cheryl Wilson, and I wanted to remind you all by the end of November 30th, if you have joined my Master Artisan level of my membership here on YouTube, I will be offering to send to you one of my handmade designed cards. I call it a Christmas card. It can be a holiday card, whatever it is that you celebrate, but I wanted to do that as a gift to you. So I have the 3 membership. I have Supporter, I have Artisan, and the Master Artisan, and I love every single member that is a part of my membership team, and I love that you trust me to support you in your journey, and you support me in my journey. But I just wanted to make that extra offer for those that join the master level. And you can join at any time and then drop down to a different level, or don't drop off altogether. But the master level, not only do you get all the training that I do for the artisan, but you will get an extra level where I review 3 of your paintings a month, and it's a pretty in-depth type of review. Anyone that's had a review from me will know that I spend sometimes an hour on the review and send you a review sheet. So just wanted to remind you, by the end of November, if you have signed up for the Master Artisan level, I will be sending you maybe one of these, or it could be a completely different one. I'm still painting. Thank you for supporting me through my surgery time. My eye is healing. It's still healing. I have a ways to go on that, but I can still paint. I can paint on this level right here. I have the okay from the doctor. So just wanted to put that offer out there by the end of November.